Hey, what's up guys? Happy 4th of July 2020. I'm C-Love, back again with a mega simple build. I think this one's kind of unique, but I'll let you be the judge. I've had this Star Jasmine right here for 4 years, and hopefully you can tell I've trained it to grow in the shape of a heart. And until this point, I've had it posted up on this PVC contraption that's obviously bent and bowed and not gonna work anymore. So I'm gonna give it a power up. Come on, I'm gonna show you how I did it. I've never made anything like this before, so once I get set up, I'll take some rough measurements and eyeball my cuts. If you do this, it should cost less than $20 and take you less than 2 hours. It's pretty simple. You will see where I ended up once the cuts were done. You can also see the angles and the measurements I came up with. I didn't build this one for the governor, so the links are approximate. It's a total of 6 pieces cut from cedar 1x4. You will cut 2 pieces each at 42 inches, 16 inches, and 21.5 inches, followed by cutting the angles in your boards on each end as shown. Secure your mount together with some scrap pieces, wood glue, and screws. Make sure and pre-drill your holes as always. I used a 2x2 little baby post to give me some support. Make sure and make a mark to approximate the depth you want your post at. Again, pre-drill your holes and secure your post to the mount. I'm going to change out the old mount for the new one and quickly get it secured together. My heart turned out a little bigger than anticipated, but I'm definitely happy with it. This plant has gotten quite large in the time I've had it, and I needed something pretty substantial to support it properly. I kind of planned for it to still be weaning once it was set up, and as you will see, it is. So I'm going to install a 1x4 piece spanning the edge of my planter pot to hopefully provide some additional support. This should hold it upright and in place a whole lot more. I'm totally thrilled with how this turned out, and you can easily do it too. Happy growing. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the heart-shaped Star Jasmine mount. Appreciate you guys taking the time to check out my channel to get some simple do-it-yourself woodworking projects. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take this solid piece of mahogany and I'm gonna turn it into the ball in a cage. I'll see you soon. If you're still here, smash that like button while you take a look at some of the critters that have stopped by to visit. Let me know what you think in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.